Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Now we're going to show you our OBD Blocker, a device that we have installed. In this case, it's the 2020 Jaguar F-Pace. The OBD Blocker is available for every vehicle that has the OBD2 system. Once you have the OBD Blocker installed, you will receive this device from us, which is the decoder. When you go to the dealer or need to do any reading on a vehicle OBD, you're going to have to first plug this one in, and then you can get any reading on your car. Now we're going to plug in the computer right now. We're going to show you. We're just going to try to read the VIN number, and we're going to show you what happens without. We cannot get any VIN number, and what happens with the device, you can get a VIN number. When you go into the OBD, you can do other changes, cloning the keys and stuff like that. And by basically blocking it, that will be the advantage of not letting anybody access to your vehicle computer. So we're going to plug in the OBD, our computer. Now this is a just basic computer. It's not. It's mostly for more simple vehicles. We are not using that right now for the Jag. We just for the testing here. We're gonna go a VIN number. We're gonna put auto detect, and it will scan the VIN. Try to get any information on the VIN. Usually a scan like that will take a few seconds. Most cases will find it when you're already on the first try. But as you see right now, 8 out of 11, it is still trying. Can't get anything. 9 out of 11 can't get anything. So it's gonna keep on trying until it gets to the 11 out of 11, and we'll see if it gets any reading on the VIN. And when we'll see what is the result after trying that. Now in this case, like I said, a simple maxi check device just to check some codes on the vehicle. But this could be a device that will clone a key, or could be anything else. If somebody's trying to steal the vehicle, they usually try to get a key copy somehow, and in many cases just going to the OBD to clone one. As you can see, VIN scanning failed. So we're gonna do cancel. Now we're gonna unplug the unit. We're gonna plug our adapter, and we're gonna put the decoder back in place. I'm gonna give the system a second or two to release. Okay, and we're gonna go back to VIN. I'm gonna do auto detect, and as you can see, it's already 1 out of 11. So on the first one, it was already able to diagnose and give us the vehicle VIN. And from here, you can do the reading to the vehicle, get your information, anything that you need. But this will prevent anybody from coming to the vehicle, cloning the key, and drive away. For the OBD Blocker, contact us at Car System Installation, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.